Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from, frickin' India. This is cup noodles spiced chicken from India, and found this so next to the Chuck E. Cheese in Bellevue, Washington, there's a place called Apna Bazaar, and it's a little Indian grocery, and it's pretty rad. They had some good stuff and not expired, and yeah. If you're familiar with instant noodles at Indian grocery stores, you will probably notice that a lot of them are expired. I don't know why, but they always tend to be expired. So we will add our boiling water to the line and go for a whopping 3 minutes. It's Friday, November the 8th? 9th? Yeah, I think it's Friday, November 9th. Oh, I hope I grabbed the right one. I don't think I did. No, this isn't it. God damn it. This is not spicy chicken. This is chicken mushroom cup noodles from Singapore. At least using the... No, this is the India. God. Yeah. That's what happens when you do 2 cup noodles in the same day. I swear, though, this was the right one. Well, the sniff test will let me know for shizzle, for certain. Oh, yeah. This is an Indian variety over here. So this is what we're doing today. So let me put this and this in here. I don't think there's really much of any difference in the cup size to speak of. Oh. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We're going to add more water. To about there. Okay, I think we're golden. See, there's a little lid. Mushroom chicken. Then I just got to remember this cup for when I do the other version. It's going to be one of those days, I think. I like I've mentioned before, I've been doing far fewer amounts of reviews recently. So, but all is well. All is well. Well, mostly. So, what was it, last week? My son Miles came home from school and his foot was really hurting him. It was last Friday, that's right. It was a week ago today. Miles did PE, comes home, foot's all jacked up. Couldn't really walk very well for the weekend. Still's having trouble with it a week later. Monday shows up. Get a call from the nurse when we send them both to school. It's like, oh, well, it wasn't for him. It was for my daughter Mimi, and she didn't feel good. She had a fever. Now it's Friday. She's had a fever every day of the week. Yeah, no good. Like, not strep, not COVID, not this, not that. Adenovirus. Yeah. So, Tylenol, ibuprofen. Rather, acetamin and ibuprofen, Tylenol and Advil. I don't know why. It's like certain things I call by a brand name, and certain things I call from a pharmaceutical name. That's just kind of the way. It's Tylenol and ibuprofen. Maybe it's easier to say Tylenol than acetaminophen. Man, I really need to get a new light because this is kind of silly. Look at that, it's so washed out. But here's the noodle. Chicken is pretty well hydrated. There's the broth. I would call that chicken mushroom. If you handed that to me in a bowl, I would be like, hey, that's chicken mushroom. I'm gonna use this bowl. Why not? I was gonna use this for the India one, but this is more Thai, and I don't know. And my nose, wow, my nose is running. What do they say? Wash surfaces. Adenovirus is very contagious. But it's like, dude, we live in a 2-bedroom apartment and we have 2 small children we love very much, so the kisses are flowing. I can't throw that cup away because I got to use that for that one. Okay. But yeah, there's that. Gonna add some tinned chicken. Yeah, we got her some creamy chicken marchon. That's always a good hit for the sickos, at least for me. When I'm sick, I like that creamy chicken, but she's just not hungry. Not getting with it. I don't blame her, but hopefully she will be back to her old crazy self soon, and that will be good. Okay, what else will we add to this? Maybe a touch of sesame seed. God, that lighting is just so horrible. I apologize profusely. Have I mentioned I'm like incredibly broke? Like, disturbingly broke. At present, hopefully by the time that you see this episode, I will be in a better monetary fiscal situation. But I don't know. Let's see. Why are you so broke, Ramen Raider? Well, maybe I'll get to that on the next episode. Right here, let's allow the rotato action to come right at you. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Mushroom chicken. I think this product would do very well in the States. Just make it just like this. You do great. Like, woo. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.